Using field accessibility, you can control whether a field should be visible, read-only, or hidden for a particular profile. For example, we have a scenario where the recruiters should not be able to see the social security number field on the candidate records. You can tackle this using field accessibility. You can set up field accessibility by going to Security Controls, Field Accessibility, select the object I would like to view by field, select the social security number field. I can see whether the field is hidden or editable for all these profiles. Let me make the field hidden for all the recruiters. I can edit the recruiter profile and make the social security number field hidden. Now, when a user with a recruiter profile logs in, they will not be able to see the field on the candidate record. Field-level security is a nice way to secure data in the sharing model.